Hi, today I'm Friday XIAOMI and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And by this way, we just successfully created the new home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here more applications. If you want to rename the app or just to give a name, just tap on the name and enter the apps. Tap the home button and now we just successfully change the name to our folder. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. If you want to create the new screens with the folders, that's also not a problem. So just to remove the application from here, we should hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and tap the remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application here in the apps menu. Also, if you want to remove all of the applications, we can also edit the folder. So just we can use a regular size or to enlarge it. So let's just make it bigger. And just if you want to remove all of the applications with a folder, in one click just hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.